friends, I'm back with one more video. Today we are going to learn how we can earn money without investment using RozDhan application. You can download RozDhan application, link in description. Don't forget to use referral code. Once the RozDhan application complete downloads, sign up using Gmail, mobile number or using Facebook account. They ask for referral code to get rupees 80 as a bonus. Use referral code shown in screen and also in description. Now you are ready to use RozDhan application. RozDhan is the best money earning app in India, having more than 10 millions of users. Best money earning app. You can earn unlimited money from India. Best money earning app RozDhan. Complete task. By completing task, you can earn money. There are lots of simple money earning tasks in RozDhan, like doing app installs, completing surveys, playing games, check daily horoscope, puzzles, tasks, etc. You can earn huge rewards by spending 10 minutes per day on the RozDhan app. Complete instant cash tasks and withdraw money immediately to your Paytm account. In second step, you can earn money by playing games. While the other game apps charges you to play games, RozDhan allows you to play fun games for free while earning wallet cash. Either money earning games, paise kamaye games. We are a good alternative to the banned apps and provide a vast selection of free money earning games. Next step, you can earn money by completing survey and installing task. Completing survey, questionnaire and simple task and earning hundreds of rupees daily through India's best money earning app. Daily horoscope. Check what fate has in store for you through our daily horoscope and earn money while doing it. One more step, you can earn money from RozDhan app by just reading a news. Be updated on the latest happening in the world and earn money while doing so. Walk and earn. Daily earn money by walking besides playing games. Walk, count your steps and convert your steps to money. You can burn and at the same time you can get the cash reward. Visiting popular site through RozDhan, you can not only win real wallet cash but also access popular site related to games, jobs, shopping and many more. With RozDhan money earning app, you can find everything you want in life. Cash withdrawal. About cash withdrawal in RozDhan application. RozDhan is one of the most trusted Indian app on the Android Play Store and has been used by more than 25 million users till date. You can withdraw money to Paytm account after your first 2 days on the app. Withdraw money immediately after completing instant cash task and after reaching 300 rupees in your RozDhan wallet. Download now, link in description, and thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Love you.